Hey guys! Hope the first day of e-learning went well for everybody. Again, we're just easing into this, so hopefully we're not stressing or anything. Really, you're just watching videos, trying a couple of problems, and submitting. I'm here to help you guys with Cramer's rule. And I'm just going to do a quick example. This is just an extra example, so I don't think it's in your notes or on your worksheet. It's just one that I randomly have an extra example for. So the first thing that we want to do Cramer's rule is find the value of D. Okay, so what we're going to do is take the coefficients from these two equations, and we're going to find the determinant of these coefficients. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times -7, -35, minus 10, which is -45. Yeah. Okay, that's the D value, and we are going to come back to the D value when we actually are solving. So the next thing we want to find is called dx or D sub x. What we are going to do is we are going to rewrite a determinant, but we are going to replace the x column with what we call the solution column. Okay, so that's going to look like this. Instead of 5 and 10 going down, we're going to replace with the solutions, 9 and -18, and then the y column stays the same. Okay, now we are going to cross multiply, so we got -63 minus -18. Okay, so let's change that to a plus. Okay, -63 and 18 is -45. Okay, so we will come back to that in a moment. Next, we are going to find D sub y, and we're going to go back to the original determinant, but we're going to replace this time the y column with the solutions. So going down, it's 5 and then 10, and then now we have 9 and -18. Okay, so 18 times 5, that's going to give me -90 minus 90. Okay, for a second I thought that was going to come out to be 0, but it doesn't. That's -180. And now we have all the pieces of the puzzle to solve the system. What we need is D, dx, and dy, and it's just a formula from here, you guys. We're going to take dx divided by d, and then dy divided by d. So dx is -45 divided by d, which is also -45, and -180, which is dy, divided by d, which is -45. All right, and we get our answer. -45 over -45 is 1, and -180 over -45 is +4. So the solution to this system is 1, 4. All right, there you have it. That is an example of Cramer's rule. A 2x2. 3x3 would be a little bit more difficult. Just FYI, you would have to do diagonals to find all of the determinants, which is definitely more time consuming, but not too bad. All right, guys. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you next video. Bye.